Hello, this is Maths Made Simple, and this is a lesson on expanding brackets part 2, following it on from part 1. Please remember to like and subscribe. So here we have some brackets which are going to expand. So the key thing to remember here is negative numbers. So let's just go through quickly our rules on negative numbers. So we do a negative number times negative number or negative term times by a negative number or negative term, we're going to get a positive number. Obviously, if we do a positive times a positive number, we're going to get a positive. But also, if we do a positive number times by a negative, we're going to get a negative number. And if we do a negative number times by a positive number, we're also going to get a negative number. So, looking at this example here, so let's say we had 2a times a, and we got, let's put a negative there and a negative, and then we have positive 2a times a, and we have positive 2a times minus a, okay, and let's say we have what is it, minus 2a times positive a. Okay, so we've got 4 scenarios here, so let's just do it here. So we've got 2a times a, we should know as 2a squared. Yeah, because you got a times a, you add the powers and you times by 2, so 2a squared. Now we're doing our negative times by a positive, which, looking at here, we got a negative number, so it's minus 2a squared. And again, we've got 2a times your a, which is 2a squared on each of them. And then you got a negative times your negatives, that's going to be positive 2a squared. Here we've got positive 2a times positive a, so it's positive 2a squared. And here we have a positive times a negative, yeah, which equals negative, so negative 2a squared. Okay, so that's our rules, and let's apply them now. So here we have minus 4 times, in brackets, u minus 7. So same method as before, minus 4 times u and minus 4 times minus 7. So minus 4 times positive u is going to give minus 4u, because we've got 4 times u is 4u, and we've got a minus times a positive, which is minus 4u, and then minus 4 times minus 7. So we've got a minus times a minus, we've got a positive, and we've got 4 times 7 is 28. So positive 28. Okay. Next question, we've got minus 5, then in brackets 5 minus x. So we do minus 5 times 5. So a minus times a positive, which, as you can see, is going to be a negative number. So minus 5 times 5 equals minus 25. Yeah. And then we've got minus 5 times minus x. So 5 times x is 5x, and then you got minus times your minus, which is positive. So positive 5x. Yep. Or we can simply write it 5x minus 25. Yep. Okay. Next question. Minus times n, let's just assume that's minus 1. So minus 1 times m is going to give minus m. 1 times m is m, and obviously minus times a positive is going to give minus m. Yeah, and then we've got minus 1 times positive 3 is minus 3. Okay. Here we got minus 4, and then in brackets r minus 9. minus 4 times r. Again, we've got a negative times a positive, which you can get negative, so minus 4r. And we've got minus 4 times minus 9. As you can see, we've got a minus times a minus, we're going to get a positive number. Minus 4 times 9 is 36. Minus 4 times minus 9 is positive 36. Okay. Next question. We've got minus v times v. So v times v, using our powers, is going to be v squared, and minus v times v. Minus times positive is minus v squared. Okay. Minus v times positive 4 is going to give minus 4v. Okay. And f, got minus times q, so minus 1 times q, and minus times positive minus, so it's going to be minus q, and minus 1 times minus 7 is going to be positive 7. Okay. And then we've got next question, we've got minus 5 times 6, minus times positive because minus 30, and we've got minus 5 times positive u, which is going to give minus 5u. Okay. Next question here. We got minus y times 4, so we've got a minus times a positive. Y times 4 is 4y, it's therefore minus 4y. Okay, and then you got minus y times y. Again, y times y, we're going to add the powers, so it's going to be y squared. Minus times positive is negative, so it's minus y squared. We can write our highest power first. Minus y squared minus 4y. Okay. And here we got, sorry, this question. I got minus 6 times 5g, which is minus 30g. And we got minus 6 times minus 3, so a minus times a minus, which is positive. That's positive 18. Okay. And we have here minus 4z times 8 minus 32z. Yeah. And we've got minus 4z times minus 2z. So here we've got a minus times a minus, so we know it's going to be a positive. We've got 4 times 2, which is 8, so positive 8. And we've got z times z, which is z squared. Okay. And I'm going to write it with the highest power first. So we've got 8z squared minus 3z. Sorry, mistake there. No, sorry, minus 32z, my fault. Minus 32. That's that. Okay. Next question, we have minus 4y times 2y. So we've got a minus times positive, going to be a negative. We've got 4 times 2 is 8, and y times y is y squared. So we've got 8y squared. And we have minus 4y times 6, which is going to give minus 24y. Yeah. And last question, we have minus 3x times minus 2. So negative times negative equals positive. And we've got 3 times 2 is 6. And we've got x times x, which is x squared. So it's going to be 6x squared. And we've got minus 3x times minus 5, which is positive 15x. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.